Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So occasionally we get asked the question, how do you set up your Amazon business? What is the best way of doing it? Do you do sole trader? Do you do partnership? Do you do company? And I just want to take a brief moment just to talk about this. There are many ways to set it up, right? And there's no best way to set it up. And there are short ways, and there are also long ways, and there's also very long ways, right? People sometimes join our program and say, I need to set up, they've heard something on YouTube, or they've heard someone else say you need to set up an American company to sell on Amazon USA. And the answer to that is pretty much you don't. Right? You don't need to set up an Amazon USA company. All right. You don't need to do anything. We've got heaps of clients selling on Amazon USA. They don't have USA companies. All right. So there's a lot of misinformation out there. So basically, if you are looking for structure, if you're looking for advice on what to do, you're probably better off actually speaking like the best structure to set up your business. You can speak to companies out there. There's actually a company below this video. I'll include a link where you can access more information and have a chat with these accountants that deal directly and help Amazon sellers get up and running. Okay, so there is some details below this video where you can access those people. And we've actually I had a couple of chats with them beforehand as well. So they know a little bit about our students, and they know pretty much how to answer some of their questions and how to but they do look specifically after Amazon sellers, which is awesome, right? But there are long ways and there's also short ways. The shortest way is really set it up in your own name, okay, in your personal name, and get it up and running, start selling on Amazon. Now, later on, if you want to change it around and be a company, you can do that. You can actually upgrade and change the structure within Amazon. You can actually do that and upgrade your account to be a company, all right? But it's easier initially to get started as an individual and upgrade later. All right, but like I said, have a chat with them if you are unsure. But there are also very long strategies. If you want to do the whole LLC in America, which is like a company in America, then there's other companies out there that can sort of do that, but it's not necessary. You don't need to do it. But again, have a chat with the people below, and they can answer your questions for you, all right? Have a great day. Talk to you all soon. Bye for now.
Are you based in Australia or New Zealand and you want to get something started on Amazon? I want to talk to you about selling on Amazon. I want to talk to you about how to get started. What's your first 2 or 3 products going to be? The number one reason people say they want to start on Amazon is because of freedom. Freedom to work for themselves, freedom from their boss. They want to spend more time with their family. They want to spend more time with their kids. They want to finally live a life on their own terms. I really want to mentor you. I want to help you find the products, buy the products, fund the products, how much to pay for your products, how to start your own brand and sell your own brand on Amazon, how to find suppliers, how to get the best deals, how to launch and sell your products on Amazon, and how to scale. You guys, ladies and gentlemen, should get started today and find out more on how we can work together.